Hey, Craig Johnson here. Ask the Loan Dude. What a great opportunity here in Sherman, Texas. House just went on the market here, and it will give you an opportunity, once again, to become a homeowner. Great purchase price. I'm gonna hold that till the end so that you stay with me. Let's go in, take a look, and see what this home has to offer. It does have 3 bedroom, 2 bath, just over 1,500 square feet, and it has been absolutely redone. Let's go take a peek, give you the inside scoop. Here we have just a great entryway here. Wonderful little porch area. Full-on park across the way. So here we have the living room, family room, dining room area, brand new kitchen, brand new cabinetry, kitchen top. Look at how cool this oven stove combo is. Pancakes in the morning. Look at that. Isn't that great? The washer and dryer. Again, great space back here. Maybe even set up a desk. Got a closet as well. Let's come down the hallway. Bedrooms and bathrooms. So this is the first bedroom here. Nice bathroom, all redone. Here's the next bedroom. Look at the shelving up there. Here's the master. Look at how deep the closets are. Here's a master bath. Here's that park that I was sharing with you earlier. Look at, we got a basketball court. Absolute wonderful playground for the kids. Look at that. Brand new. And then right over there in front of me is a great area to picnic. Great room. So we've got a great opportunity here to take advantage of down payment assistance. The home is priced at $189,000 with no money down and pay for most of your closing costs. Contact information 469-550-1390. Again, 469-550-1390. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.